Hey everyone, and welcome. I'm so glad you're here for the very first day of our new vocabulary challenge. Let's jump right in.
So here's the deal. Every day, we're going to tackle one new word. It's going to be quick, it's going to be fun, and you'll learn not just what the word means, but how to actually use it. It's the perfect way to build up that vocabulary just one day at a time. All right, you ready for it? I think this is a fantastic word to kick things off. It really gets to the heart of what this whole challenge is about.
Our very first word is diligent. That's spelled D-I-L-I-G-E-N-T. It's a really great word to have in your back pocket. But what does it actually mean? Let's break it down.
First things first, let's say it right. Diligent. Okay, so the definition is pretty straightforward. Hardworking, showing care and conscientiousness in one's work. But here's a cool little tip to help you remember it. The word actually comes from the Latin word diligere, which means to love or to esteem. So being diligent isn't just about grinding away. It's about working with care, with a real respect for what you're doing.
And now, let's have some fun with our first listening challenge. The rules couldn't be easier. I'm going to read 3 sentences. All you have to do is give a little clap the moment you hear the word diligent. You ready to give it a shot? Let's go. Okay, sentence number 1. Listen close. She is a diligent student who studies daily.
Got it? All right, moving on to sentence number 2. My brother is very lazy.
And finally, our third and final sentence. Diligent people achieve success. Okay, how do you think you did?
All right, it's time for the big reveal. Did you clap once? Twice? Let's find out right now.
Yes, if you clap during sentences 1 and 3, you got it. Fantastic job. You've got some seriously sharp ears.
Let's do a quick review. In that first sentence, calling her a diligent student is a perfect way to say she's hardworking. Now, sentence 2 about the lazy brother, well, that's pretty much the opposite of being diligent. And in sentence 3, we see the payoff. Diligent people achieve success. Great examples all around.
And just like that, day 1 is a wrap. You did an amazing job today. I really hope you'll come back and hang out with me again tomorrow for a brand new word.
So, as you go about your day, I'll leave you with this one little thought to chew on. How will you be diligent today? Maybe at work, maybe at school, or even with a hobby. Think about where you can put in that extra little bit of careful effort. Thanks for joining in, and I'll see you for the next word.